Hands-on, Honor 10 review. Honor always aims to produce flagship devices that offer top-end specs for a lower price than the competition, and the company succeeded in creating a great phone with the 4.5-star Honor 9 last year. See all Honor 10 deals. A lot has happened in smartphone world since last year though. The notch has become a staple of top-end devices, as has the 18:9 aspect ratio display, and that's not to mention new processors with AI built in, and recent Android upgrades. Other than having a lower price, the Honor 10 has a lot in common with another recently launched flagship, the Huawei P20. That's because Huawei is the parent company of Honor, and that means a lot of what you see on the flagship Huawei phones makes its way to the headline Honor devices. If we had to describe its relationship to the Huawei P20, we'd say the Honor 10 is its cousin rather than a sibling. It looks similar but is missing a few features, and has that lower price to make up for it. You can watch our hands-on video review of the Honor 10 below. Close. Honor 10 price and release date. In some markets you'll be able to buy the Honor 10 from May 15th. Exactly what time the phone will be on sale is unclear, but we know it's set to be available in the UK, and you'll be able to buy directly from Honor as well as a variety of third-party retailers and 3 UK. SIM-free. The phone will cost £399.99, about $540, 720 Australian dollars, in the UK, and we don't expect the phone to launch in either the US or Australia as previous Honor flagships haven't always made it to those countries. The UK price is £20 more than the Honor 9, which launched at £379.99, but you may consider the spec upgrade here is worth the markup, and it's still a lot cheaper than other flagship devices. The Huawei P20, for example, is a third more expensive in the UK at £599.99. Design and display. Honor is putting a lot of focus on the design of the Honor 10, and there's no denying this is a beautiful looking device. It inherits a similar look to the twilight gradient effect Huawei P20, but it's slightly different here, giving you a different shade and look depending on what angle you view the back of the device from. We've found it to be a bold look, which we love, although it's a look that's likely to prove divisive as it's fairly unconventional. This shade is called Phantom Blue, while there's also a Phantom Green option that we haven't seen in real life but which, in press images, looks remarkably similar to the blue.